Hi, this is the write-up section for Unit 3, AC 2.2, the trial process. Now, in the exam, this is only worth 4 marks, so you're going to be spending just a slightly longer than 20 minutes on it, but I would say really you just want to keep this short and sweet. And again, you're just describing information. You do not have to analyse it or go through strengths and weaknesses, and therefore it's relatively straightforward to get 4 marks. Now, what I would urge you to do is, lots of these little sections are quite short and a bit dry, but you can pick up loads and loads of marks this way. And so, you can pick up about 20 marks by doing these sections really well, and that's going to push you up, maybe even up to 2 grades. So it's good to get these sections done, okay? So as you can see here, this is pretty much what you need to do. You will have been shown this in lessons. Can I urge you please that you've got a really good textbook and you've got some notes that you've done in class. You need to put everything into your own words. If you copy out the book, you will get 0 marks, okay? So I think the easiest way to do this is to split it into 3 sections, okay? So I think the first section is pre-trial, okay? And this is everything that goes on before the defendant comes to court, okay? Now what that will include is bail, okay? And it will include plea bargaining. So I'd be putting those sections together under the heading pre-trial. The next section is the court, and here you have to describe the magistrate's court, who's in there, what sorts of crimes it deals with, and how basically it operates, and then as a comparison the Crown Court, and again how that differs. Now at this stage you don't have to go into too much detail on what a magistrate does and what a jury does, because that comes up in 2.5. Okay, but you do need to make the distinction between the 2 courts. And then finally, the third section is the appeals process. Now that's going to link back to the courts, because there is a different appeals process for the magistrates' cases and the Crown Court. Okay. Finally, what you need to do is mention who does what. Okay. So again, linking that back to the roles. Okay. So if you do everything else, you'll get 3 marks, but if you can link it into the roles, okay, who does what, then that is going to get you the 4th mark. Okay, right, good luck.